You were the one that I found. சொல்ல வந்தா சொல்லிட்டே போ. Why didn't you tell me enough? சொல்ல வந்தா சொல்லிட்டே போ. I ponder in closure. Remember the world that is out there for me to find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. Oh, through this time. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Walk in the dark, barefoot in the night.
Hi all, I'm Cherry. On behalf of Cherry Cherry TV, I'm starting a new project called Save the Bird, Save the Animals. To start with, this project has designed to conservation innocent sparrow birds which are rapid extinct. All you need to do is plant lots of trees around your house, place some bowl with water and also seeds or pulses to eat. That's all you need to do. Please love them and care them. Also, next project is protect and save stray dogs with food and water during this summer. All they need is love and care. That's it, nothing else. Like my cousin sister adopted puppy Rio and I have adopted sparrows Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. All you need to do is give some food, water, love and care. I hope you will help me to succeed this project and spread love and happiness to whole world. Take care and love from Cherry Cherry TV.